Some crazy stuff popped in my head, so I decided to explain that to you. Um, what I think right now, maybe it's not true. I don't know, but I think there is nothing in this world named knowledge. I think there is nothing here existing in this world named knowledge. Why? Uh, because we think this is knowledge, okay? And you're not trying to do something valuable for yourself. You always think someone also valuable because they're scientists, they are some famous actors, or they are uh, uh, some rich people like Robert Kiyosaki. He created a rich father and poor father and talked about it. So you say earning money is knowledge, or physics is knowledge, or chemistry is knowledge, okay? And there are another kind of knowledge, like how we have to pass our life's problems. This is knowledge. Someone may be making a book out that, but what I'm thinking, in fact, is this is not knowledge. This is just some guy's experience. This is just someone's experience, and the experiment is something for first time. Maybe one guy or two guy, three guy, one person, two person. They started working on something. They experimented. They read another people's texts and talk to other people's, maybe interviewed someone or asked question about a lot of people or something like that. Yeah, they did something and collected all of these experiences, all of these experiences. Yeah, they collected all of these experiences in these books, and they said that is knowledge. Okay, you can just work on something else. You can just working on your skills. You can just work on something that never no one really did care about it. No one really did matter about it. But always we're thinking that it's so important for us. So you can working on it, and work a lot of time, maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Apologize, I'm newbie. And after you doing that, you just after a couple years, you just collecting all your experiences into one book. You can just really, you can become the master of something, and teaching other people, training other people, training other people, training other people. That's another word of teaching. I don't know that because I'm newbie. I have to say that a couple of times, but I do check out it, okay, to know what is correct. And it's all, listen, in a history, there was a time that there was nothing system named airplane. Yeah, airplane. So two people came here. Two people came together and tried to do something else, something new that no one really cared about it before that. No one really thought about it before that, And after a lot of time, maybe after a lot of years, two brothers they started created first airplane in the world, you know. They were not scientists. They were not special peoples. They were not sent from God, from God, you know. They were typical peoples like me, like you, and they was not smarter than you. They was not more intelligent than me, you know. There was ordinary people. Maybe you are more smarter than that guys, you know. I'm not really I'm not really know what was these two brothers names, because I forgot it, you know. It wasn't in the tip of my tongue, but for now I forgot that. Okay, and it's all. You can do something, you can be your own scientist, you can change the world, and you can do something different that make the world a better place for living, make the world a better place um, for other people, you know. And you gotta just do that. You gotta want to do that, you know. And if you want to do that, you experiment in something, you gain experiences, and you become a master at that. You become more professional. You can write the books. You can become the college master. You can become more prominent with your skills, you know. What is your vocation? Vacation, I don't know. There is another some word. There was another word of skill, you know. What is your expertise? That is important. You can become more important person in the world, you know. And yeah, and you're the owner of some knowledge, you know. That's what you have to do. You have to want to do that. I'm sorry if I do talk like idiots because I'm newbie. I wanna tell that to you every day. I'm newbie, and I have to practice so much to talk better, but at least I'm trying. And for now I can talk to you, okay? And for now it's good enough for me. Thank you for watching my videos, and before that I want to say, please subscribe me if you like my videos. I just do create 50 videos exactly like this, like talking to you and drawing something else. And I want you just support me, you know. So subscribe me and like my video, comment below my video and tell me what you think about my words. And before that, because I didn't introduce myself, my name is Samir, or you can call us Samir. Try to call us Samir, you know. This is my name after all.